If ChatGPT is showing a server error, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary issue and there are a few quick fixes you can try right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix the ChatGPT server error so you can get back to using it without wasting time. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, and this is the most important step, wait a minute and try again. In many cases, server issues fix automatically after a short delay. Give it about 1 to 10 minutes, then retry your request. Sometimes ChatGPT is just under heavy load, and a short wait is all it needs. Next, refresh the page. On Windows, you can press Ctrl and R to reload the browser. This is one of the easiest fixes because it clears out temporary glitches and reconnects the page to the server. If you are on a different device, use the browser refresh button and try your prompt again. If the problem is still there, click Regenerate Response. This is especially useful if the error happened while ChatGPT was already answering. Regenerating the response can restart the request and often gives you a fresh connection to the server. Another very effective fix is to start a new chat. Click New Chat and enter your prompt again in a fresh conversation. Old sessions can sometimes get stuck or become unstable, and starting over can solve the issue immediately. If one chat is acting strangely, a new one can often work perfectly. Now check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger server-style errors, even when the real problem is on your end. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or from hotspot back to Wi-Fi. If needed, restart your router and test again. A stable connection makes a big difference. Also, disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs can cause unstable routing, slow down requests, or make it harder for ChatGPT to connect properly. Turn the VPN off completely, then refresh the page and try again. This simple step fixes the issue for a lot of users. If you've gone through all of these steps, one of them will usually clear the error. The key is to move through them in order. Wait, refresh, regenerate, start a new chat, check your internet, and disable your VPN. These are the most reliable first-line fixes for ChatGPT server problems. If this video helped you solve the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also show you the next set of advanced fixes for ChatGPT errors in another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.